it's Gigi. I hope all of y'all had an amazing week, and I have a haul for you guys. So let me get to it. I have a haul here from the Not Too Shabby shop. I got this month's stamp of the month and the box of the month. It is so stinking cute. If you do not know, it's the Not Too Shabby shop. You can find her right here. It's owned by Jamie. She is a sweetheart. Most of the time, on most of the items, you can use the word Jamie for 10% off. It doesn't count towards the box of the month or, I believe, the stamp of the month. But most of the items it does. So you can find her here. Love her shop, and she is amazing and offers amazing customer service. So this is her stamp of the month. It's called Cup of Cheer. It is so stinking cute. So it says hot cocoa fixes everything, and it has this cute little penguin holding in coffee or hot cocoa with peppermint and marshmallows. And then here's the bigger cup with some marshmallows. It says Merry Christmas. It's so cute. I love it. And then I got the box of the month, and she had it wrapped in this cute tissue paper, and it came with some sequins, which are so pretty. Love those. And she sent some cinnamon hazelnut beanies flavor coffee, and I am so excited about that. Okay, well, let me show you what else it came with. So it came with this stamp set called Big Hugs, and it is simply adorable. Look at that bear. He's so cute. So it says, when life throws you snow, make snow angels. Let it snow. Big, warm winter wishes. Hugs, so you can do big hugs. And then look at the little paw prints. And then you can make the motion with these little motion stripes. And then you got this big mouse. And she's making snow angels too. Or you can do them doing hugs. And then you got the snowflake here, and then more paw prints over here for this big guy, the polar bear. So stinking cute. Love it. Okay. And then you got this stamp set called Hello Winter. And I love all of them. They are so stinking cute, these bears. I think they're bears. Yeah. And they're all dressed differently. This one's dressed up like a deer with a hot cocoa or coffee. And it says, you warm my heart and hello winter. And then there's more snowflakes. And she said this one is for their cheeks. So that's cute. You can give them a little blush. Love them. I love woodland creatures. Okay. And then there's this set called Winter Wishes. And it says, may your dreams come true, and you make my heart melt. And then it has these little, like Alps, and this little home, and some twigs, a heart, a moon. And all these different animals. They are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Love. Okay, then it came with some ephemera die cut pieces. Let me open it up and let's see. I'll just take a few out just so we can see what you get. Look at the color. I love the colors of these. Look at these trees, so cute. And the nice thing that she does with her and her design team, all month long they create with the kit. So you can go over and get inspiration, or like sometimes I do, I copy what they make and put my little spin to it. I totally ask, and then, you know, I share that I did it. But these are so cute. So that's what comes in there. You get a whole bunch. Look at all that stuff. Okay. And then we got 2 paper pads. We got this Arctic Winter. Isn't that pretty? And her paper is nice and thick. Oops, sorry about that. And show you. And I think it was still available while I'm filming right now, when I checked. But listen to this. It's super thick. You get 4 of each, so you get plenty. But look how pretty these are. I love them. Oh, look, you get cut aparts. Winter is for the bears. Huh? Cute. Mittens. And this looks like sweater. Oh, the stars. That's pretty. Okay, so there's that one. And then you get this one called Sparkly Winter. That one's so cute. I'm not going to go through this one. You can see right here. It's so cute, though. All right, so that's everything that I got from the Not Too Shabby shop. Let me move that off to the side. Oh, and then I got a free stamp from Paper Sweeties, because when you spend so much money, then you get free item. And this is what I got. It says Fall Sweet Fall, Cozy, and Sweater Weather. So cute. There's a leaf, a heart, a sweater, a little pumpkin, and this little mug. That's so stinking cute. I love it. Paper Sweeties is cute. I like their stuff. Okay, and then I went to Dollar Tree, and I got this bundle of poinsettias in pink. They're so pretty. I don't know if you can really tell. It's hard to show on here, but they're pink, and I love them. I wanted them for my room, so I got those. I found another one of these round ornaments that I can use. And then I found 2 of these shapes. And I finally found the ornaments. So I got me a couple of these. I went to one that I did not know existed. I went to Hobby Lobby, and this one was close by. Actually, it was by a Home Goods that I went to, and so I checked it out, and they had it there. Okay, and then I found this, and I thought it was so cute. It's a placemat, so I will use it for my background sometimes. What else did I get from the Dollar Tree? Oh, I got some moss that I found at that same Dollar Tree. And let's see, what else did I find there? Oh, I found these mini stockings. So cute. So I grabbed some of those, and I grabbed some of these. And then I grabbed some raffia that I found there in these 2 colors. Very pretty. And I think that was all that I got there. Actually, I got these. So if you're watching right now, I have a giveaway going on, a hidden giveaway, that I'm gonna pick somebody in one of my videos randomly. And if you win, you're gonna get this little pack. You get the hot cocoa, this mug with the gnomes, and I'm adding in these socks that I found. I found another pair, and you'll get, I got moss everywhere. You'll get these socks also. Okay? So leave a comment, because that's how you're gonna win. And you have to be subscribed and be 18 or older. And then in the US. I can't mail outside. Okay, and that was everything I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, then I went to Target, and I had went to get these little things for my cards. So I found the candy canes. I thought these were so cute and great for cards or for whatever, for crafts. And then I found the little trees. And then I found the wreaths. So I got me one of those. really cute for cards. The perfect size. And that's everything I got there. And then I went to Hobby Lobby. And I have been wanting this. And they had one left. But I was waiting for the 50% off. And so I got it. And it's so pretty. And it matches my craft room. So, this is what I got. So pretty. There's one other thing I want to get, but we'll see if they still have it. Okay, so everything I got there was on sale. I got it for 50% off or some kind of discount. So I got these stickers. I thought they were cute. They look like little cookies. And then I got these for my envelopes, the back of my envelopes for Christmas. So cute. Then I got these rustic snowflakes. I thought they'd be cute, added on tags. Or if I'm sending somebody Happy Mail wrapped around. That's cute. I got these round ornaments. These are different than the other ones. And you get 6 pieces, and they were $3.99 and half off. So $2, that's a good deal. So I got those. I found this twine with the metallic red. I thought these were cute. I thought it was cute for tags or even your cards. I didn't have anything like that. This was the last one they had, so I grabbed this one. Cute. Then I grabbed a pack of this. I love this. And I love how Anna shows how she uses it. She tea dyes it. And then she uses them like for candy canes. So I thought that was an awesome idea. And then I want to use these on gifts. They are so cute. So me. And the last thing I got at Hobby Lobby was this Artiste crochet thread that I also want to use for tags in, what color? Rose quartz. I have this in other colors, but I didn't have the pink color yet. And that was 30% off this week. And then I headed over to Michael's. I found these cute little do-it-yourself wood tags for 99 cents. And you get, how many do you get? You get 7. So that's a good buy. And I only found the one. Then I picked up, and then I got 20% off. And then I picked up this Ashland Twine, and it has silver running through it. If y'all can see that. And I got 20% off that. And then I picked up this Tulip Puffy dimensional fabric paint. I got 20% off that. I got me some Mod Podge because I'm going to be doing some transfers with the water slide paper. So I needed Mod Podge. And the last thing I got at Michael's was this do-it-yourself birchwood ornaments, and they were 40% off. And I think they're so pretty. And then I had been waiting on this to show up. I was so happy because they didn't offer tracking, and I was like praying it would come. So I got this Lily of the Valley photopolymer set. It's called Christmas Sentiment Tags. And there it is. And they come in this cute little envelope. And this is what they look like. If you're interested, and they're on Etsy if you're interested. I also ordered another set that I'm waiting on. I hope I get them before Christmas. And guys, I think that is everything. I thank you for watching. I love you guys. Thank you for the continued prayers. I appreciate them. I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye-bye.